Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I will be trying a popular hair growth mask that is around YouTube. Honestly, I'm just hearing about it, so guess what? You guys are going to come along with me to go get the products, make the product, and actually put it on my hair. So y'all go get y'all snack, go get whatever y'all need, and let's go, because I'm about to go to the store, make it with y'all, and I'm going to put it on. So let's go. Let me get my purse. Y'all want to go too? Because y'all could come. Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go. Ooh. It's hot out there, huh? Sheesh. Now, don't forget to put your seatbelt on. All right, y'all, so I am back from the store. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to put in the magic bullet. I was going to put it in the glass bowl, but I'm like, honestly, why would I do that if I have to blend it up after? So I'm going to crack the egg, put the avocado in there, and you guys will see everything. So I have aloe leaf, I have some honey, avocado oil, vitamin E mayonnaise, Jamaican black castor oil, some tea tree oil, a banana, I have an egg, and then I have 2 avocados. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to use both. I was thinking about using both because of the length of my hair, but we will see if I have enough, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so looking at this, sorry y'all can't see me, looking at this, it stops right here, but I know I have a lot of hair and like the length, so I think I'm going to chop up the other avocado and I'm going to put it in here and then add some more oils. And this is the consistency right now. It's smooth, but I feel like it can be a lot more smoother, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, y'all, so that is it. This is consistency. Oh, wow. Wow. Whatever. Y'all see it's nice and thick. I guess I just gotta go ahead and put this on my hair now. Y'all just stay tuned. All right, so first things first, I'm going in with my spray bottle. I'm misting my hair, making sure that my hair is damp. For me, I think it's easier for the mask to absorb to damp hair. Honestly, this is an old wash and go. I still have product in, but that's okay. After you guys see me mist my hair to the liking, I'm going to go working into sections to making sure that it's easier for me and to make sure that the mask is throughout my hair. After you guys see me work in sections, you guys will see me make the sections a little smaller, and then I'll make sure to go back in with the spray bottle to mist my hair. Alright, so you guys see me putting it on my hair. Yes, this mask, it has little chunks in there, but honestly, that is okay because when I washed my hair several times, everything was out. I just made sure I shampooed twice, I conditioned twice, and I deep conditioned, and everything was out my hair. Honestly, this mask, it works and it makes my hair feel soft and shiny. Okay, so after I applied the mask to my hair, I'm going to detangle my hair. I'm starting from the bottom and I'm working my way up. I would honestly say for the mask being in my hair, this honestly worked like a conditioner, and it didn't even take long for me to detangle this section.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice.
All right, y'all, so that is it. It is the end of the night. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair. I'm not gonna apply heat because of the egg that's in my hair. I don't wanna, cook up some stuff. Let me stop. No, but that is the mask. This is how much I used. It was full. Honestly, I was gonna save this for later, but I'm just gonna throw it away because I'm just gonna throw it away. If you guys seen in the back of my hair, this is where I started on the back left, and then when I finished like at the top left, my hair already sucked it up. Like, it was thirsty. So what I did at the end, I got in and I put some more on. So that is it. I'm gonna let it sit for like a good hour, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Of course, change my clothes. I already cleaned up my area. But y'all, thank y'all for watching. Thanks for coming along with me. Thank y'all for coming shopping with me, making the mask and all of that. Y'all, I hope y'all have a good one, and I will see y'all later.